fear is there only when the mind feels the danger of something being taken away. Right now, the fear, the imaginary fear, was that my reputation will be taken away. Do you understand this? Why are you afraid in asking something in front of 100 people? You fear that something will be taken away. What will be taken away? Image. My image will be destroyed, it will be taken away. What if I don't care for reputation? What if I say that I know myself and it doesn't matter to me what others think of me? Will I still be afraid? Will I still be afraid? If I know that whatever is precious and real and valuable cannot be given to me by others, it is entirely mine. When others don't give it to me, how can they take it away? Will I still be afraid? You depend on others for your reputation. That is why you are afraid of others. The more you will bother about reputation, the more afraid you will be. The more you will depend upon others for your self-image, self-concept, the more you will live in fear. And of course, it's a useless fear. Fear is the thought of losing something. If you don't take anything, how can you lose it? Reputation you take from others, obviously you can lose it. Wherever there is fear, search for dependency. Look for dependency, you will find it. And the moment you find dependency, don't stop yourself from getting rid of it. The moment you find dependency, don't stop yourself from getting rid of it.